Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a requested video. It is my daily makeup routine. By the title of this, I am doing the request of one of my subscribers. So here it is. And before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn on your post notifications so you know when another video is up. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. And just a little side note, I will be looking towards this direction because I have my mirror on this side. And let's go ahead and get started, guys. So first things first, put my hair up because you don't want it in the way. And I just showered, so my hair is pretty wet. Ah, that looks decent. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do my primer. I don't have much of this one because I'm testing out different primers. So this is a little primer that I have. And I'm just testing them out because I want to see which one is better for me. And this one I do put on with my So the next thing that I'll be using is the combination of these two. I like to put in the areas that I don't put one, I put the other. And I don't really have an amount of how much I do. I kind of just go with it. And then wherever I don't put this one, I will do the other one, the other foundation. I know some people may think it's a lot, but everybody's different, so everybody needs different types of coverage. And I don't really have a preference of coverage, I just like it to feel pretty light on my face. So there we go, I just finished with that one. And I'm gonna go in with the Becca in the areas that I didn't put the other one. And this I can say is my normal wear makeup. And I just put it everywhere. There we go. And then I go in with my beauty blender. And you know what, this time I'll go with my beauty blender. I always make sure to go kind of fast because this foundation sometimes, depending, it changes sometimes, but it kind of dries a little bit fast. The one that, the Laura foundation, not the Becca, it dries out a little bit faster. So if you don't do it quick, then you'll have little blotches if you don't blend correctly. And then today I'm feeling the combination of these two. And let's go ahead and get started. I usually do it, whoops, this is what happens with the heat. I will usually do it under my eyes and around my nose because that is where I have my little imperfections. And then right here. And then here I try to do it into a little triangle. And you pull it down a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the next one. I first do all the creams, or you can call it that. And then I go in with my powders. And then I go ahead and do my beauty blender again. I always try to get my T-zone because that's where I have the most redness as well. You always want to pull it down like this in a triangle. And remember, I am not a makeup artist. I just do my makeup as I've learned over the years. And I always put a little bit here. And always make sure to get your nose very well. And there we go. And I always put some on my eyes because it looks weird if you don't have that little section covered as well. And then after that, I go ahead and go in and this brush. And then my contouring. I usually just mix any of these three. And I just take it like this. I'm gonna do it here on my sides. And it's kind of like a 3 that you try to do up here. 1, like this, and then you go down, and then you do this last part, so it is a number 3. I always like going down my neck because you want to make sure that you're nice and blended. And sometimes I'll do a little here on my eyes. It varies. And then I take the sides and I do the sides of my nose just to make the illusion that it's a little thinner. You just want to make sure that you blend and that you look really nice. I know, I get into the ears too because you don't want to look odd. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with the blush. And I use my blush brush. And this is Sephora 49. I said everything in my other video. And then I smile. And I drag it down. And same thing. The apples of my cheeks. And I drag it back. And remember, this is just the way that I learned to do my makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. There. I look nice. I need a little bit more. And it's a very subtle pink, which I like. And then also, the lighting may be a little bit off, so it will adjust here and there. We're still working on that, but it'll just improve as we go. And then now is my eyebrow part. And I'm just going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is the, what is it called? The Dark Brown Brow Powder Duo. And I do this little combination because it's the best way. And then I use both of my brushes. I know I look a little crazy right now, but it'll look nice and natural in a little bit. And that's why it's best to use a brush like this, because you can angle it however you want. And with your eyebrows, you always want to make sure that they look nice, because it's one of the first things people see. Well, just in general. And remember, your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. So you can never get them the same. I'm making sure, because sometimes depending on the lighting they look a little odd. So you just always have to make sure that in every lighting they'll look good. And sometimes while I'm filling in my eyebrows, I see where I need to pluck them, and sometimes I just go ahead and do it. And I think we're almost done here. Okay, I think they look pretty decent. And then I go in with my clear brow Anastasia clear brow gel. And then I like to bring them up. And then what else? And next I will do my mascara. This time I'm going to use a little bit of all of them. So I'll go ahead and do that part. Sometimes I mix them. I know maybe it's not good to mix them, but I love the way it leaves my eyelashes, and it all varies. And sometimes I'll go back if I see something with my eyebrows. I sometimes go back and I'm noticing something that I'm not liking. So I'm gonna go back and fill in the little area that I'm not liking. And that's just how I go sometimes. I go back and forth with my brows. Okay. And then on most days, I will use my nude lipstick, matte lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So it's this one right here. Alrighty guys, I think I am finalized. So this is my look. This is, I can say this is my daily routine, my daily makeup routine. I change it up sometimes. I mainly change up the lip, but for the most part this is my everyday look. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes I do a little more mascara, sometimes I do a little bit less, but for the most part this is my everyday. Usually takes me anywhere from, there's a baby wipe because I like to make sure I don't put any makeup anywhere, but I do change it up. Either sometimes I do a little eyeshadow. It just varies on where I'm going and what I'm doing, but overall this is my everyday and it's really quick and easy. Sometimes I get it done in 8 minutes, sometimes in 10. It just varies on how I'm feeling as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll have more videos. Please leave comments down below what you guys would like to see so I can go ahead and get to filming those videos for you guys. There's a couple that I find that will be very interesting to film, so go ahead and leave me comments down below just saying hi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, and also share these videos so we can grow as a family, guys. So I will go ahead and sign out from here, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!